In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Stripe API and webhook in just 5 minutes. First, let's start by heading to Stripe's official site. Open your browser and navigate to stripe.com. Once you're there, the next step is to log in, so locate the sign in button, usually in the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Once the login page loads, you'll need to enter your email and password. Make sure to use the credentials associated with your Stripe account. After you've entered your details, simply click on the sign in button to access your Stripe dashboard. Now that you're in, let's familiarize ourselves with the dashboard. At the Home tab, take a moment to get comfortable with the layout. Next, shift your focus to the Developers section, which is where you'll manage API keys and create webhooks. To get there, locate the Developers tab in the sidebar and click on it. A few options will pop up, and from here, you'll want to select API keys. This section is crucial as it holds your secret key and publishable key, which you'll need for connecting Stripe to your application. Take a moment to review the API keys available. You may want to copy them if you need them for future use, but do keep them secure and never share your secret key publicly. If setting up a webhook is part of your task, you'll want to click back on the Developers section and then choose Webhooks. In the Webhooks section, click on the button that says Add Endpoint. You'll be greeted with a form where you'll specify the endpoint URL. This URL is where Stripe will send HTTP requests to your application whenever specified events occur. Be accurate here because it ensures the notifications will be sent properly to your server. Next, you'll need to select the events you want this webhook to listen for. Choose events that are most relevant to your needs, such as payment completions or invoice generations. Once you've selected the appropriate events, hit Continue to proceed to the next step. On the final screen, you'll have the option to add a description. This is particularly useful if you're setting up multiple webhooks and need a quick way to identify them. After adding in any necessary details, click Create Destination to finalize the setup of your webhook. That's it! You've successfully created a Stripe API and configured a webhook in a matter of minutes. This setup will help you automate your processes and ensure you receive timely updates on the transaction statuses. If you found this video helpful, or if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.